on 5th January, which is further updated, and in today's position the number has been changed, and it is like 11,072,877 till yesterday. So North Goa, total male female gender, third gender, we have 5,77,921 voters, whereas in South Goa we have 5,94,956 total electors. So this year we have done a lot of exercises as per the directions given by the Election Commission of India, and we are happy to inform you that this time we have added more than 25,149 new voters. These are all in 18 plus category. These are all new voters, first time voters, and we are trying our best to involve each person who is added in this list to cast their vote on our